BluntCut MetalWorks, March 7, 2024. This is 01 steel at 64 Rockwell. The axe is, here you go. It's about a little bit over 4.5 pounds because the bit here is heavier than the bit I cut off. This video to show the innovation that BluntCut MetalWorks been doing for many years now. And for this axe, I mean, it's very heavy, so the impact is going to be pretty, the impact load is high. It's going to chop blue gum, seasoned blue gum, which is very hard wood. And the edge geometry is quite thin. It's hard to see here. There you go. It will fit into the bevel right there at 15 degrees. And for this thin geometry, chopping blue gum, if the strength, in other words, the hardness is lower, the edge will crumble. When they hit the hardwood, they will crumble in one swing. In other words, one chop. So it needs all the strength. But however, at the same time, it also has to be tough because it's able to take the load. So I'm going to take this out there and chop it, standing on the tree trunk, the uprooted tree trunk, and make a few chops. Anyway, as far from safety-wise, the axe handle is 36 inch long. And so I'm going to stand probably on the tree trunk, the fallen tree trunk. So I will keep the axe head far away from me. In other words, we'll chop down, and and I won't do extended chopping session, so that skill and fatigue won't become a liability. And just for my feet, I'm going to wear steel toe boot. Okay, I will get out there.